how to make money on Freelancer as a voice actor. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor of the platform searching for a voice actor, I will just go to hire freelancers in here, click on by skill, then I'm going to search for the freelancer I'm looking for, and here it seems like we will need to search for it manually because here we have just translators, virtual assistants. We don't have voice actors in these categories. So let's go to search for it by skills category, and let's give it a few seconds to load. Here it will take some time. Just be patient with the platform. Let's refresh it. Seems like the platform is unresponsive, and here you can search for the skill you're looking for. Let's refresh again. Give it a few seconds to load, and it's still the same. So let's go back here it is, it's loaded. So here you can check for the skill you're searching for. Let's search for a voice artist. It's written here in alphabets, I think. A, we need to find a V. Here we have the V's: video, high, virtual, visual, voice. Let's search if we can find a voice artist. So here I'm looking for the voice artist to show you what you're going to learn in today's video, because I'm going to show you their profiles just to give you an idea of what you're going to learn in today's video. So we have video production, virtual, visual, voice artist. So this is the one. Let's click on it to see. So here, hire expert voice artist for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles in here. Click on see more voice artists. And in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like those people in order to showcase your skills with your hourly rate, your description, your headline as well, and your ratings, and everything about you and your skill. For example, English, British, voiceover and voice actor, content writer. That's not what you're searching for. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. So give it a few seconds to load, and here click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information: your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my username and my password. Then click on login. Then give it a few seconds to redirect us to our dashboard, and the dashboard is where we're going to control everything about our profile. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and in your top right you have this button where you can control your account, starting from your profile, membership, account analytics, to lead insights and settings. And also, for when it comes to finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, take a look at your financial dashboard, and check your payment sharing as well. And here you have the support if you've encountered any problem, or if you want to invite your friends, you will be provided with your own custom link. and if you want to log out from the profile. So let's go up to view profile. We still need to make a lot of adjustments to our profile. As you can see, it's very empty. We have 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, 0 jobs completed, and 0 in everything. So let's start adjusting our profile by editing the profile. And here the first step we need to go through is to verify our email. As you can see, email verification required. And when you verify your email, then make sure to upload a profile picture. It's really helpful because no client will accept working or no client would work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. So keep that in mind, guys. And when you're done with the profile picture, upload a cover photo as well. It's helpful too. After that, you proceed to the verifications. So here, make sure to join an elite group of the best freelancers, verify your identity, verify your payment method, verify your phone number, the email, we've talked about it before. And if you have a Facebook account, connect it as well. And if you're wondering why do I need to make all of these verifications, and simply guys, these verifications will help you build more trust and credibility with clients. And with more trust comes more clients, and with more clients eventually comes more money. And after you're done with the verifications, then you choose your hourly rate and your professional headline. Then you enter your summary. It's like the description. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, your skill, where did you learn it, how many years of experience you have, and those sort of things. Then you choose your skills. You can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these ones. And let's add our own skill, which is voice actor. We have voice acting, voice artist. Then scroll down to save those changes. And after you're done with those skills, then make sure to add a portfolio. People like to see your work before hiring you. And after you make all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse, click on projects, and then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs from the people that are looking for someone with your skills to work with them. So if you see a job that fits your requirements, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.